In this video, we are going to show you how to make a sheet out of foam, 4 paper towel rolls, a marker, a dry erase marker, black acrylic paint, hot glue gun, and 1 plate. First thing we're going to do is that we are going to draw a white cloud on this foam. Now we're going to cut it, but make sure you have an adult to help you cut the foam because it is dangerous. We're going to cut this in a very messy way. We're going to clean it and come back to make the sheet. After cleaning the table, we cutted this. We cutted the sheep's body, and now we are gonna color the feet of the sheep the color black. We painted the 4 legs of the sheep, and we're going to wait for them to dry. Now we are going to cut the face, and it's going to look a little bit maybe like this. Okay, the pencil and the scissors. We're going to make the marking how big we want it to be. And we're going to connect it. Let's fold it so it's going to be easier. And now when we cut it, it also gets cut on the other side. And then we made a hole right there. And you put the scissor back there, and that's going to be extra easy once back into a plate. Oh, let's paint it black. Paint, 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 paint. A sheep paints. A sheep's head is black. Nah. Now we have the body, the feet, the head, and the 2 eyes. We are going to wait for the head and the feet to dry. Then we're going to glue with the hot glue gun. Now let's stick the legs. So we are going to take some hot glue, put it here, all around the sheep. Here, 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 here. Let's put some here. Let's put some here. We got some right there. Now we're gonna put it right here under the first leg. Let's do the other leg. Some there. Nice and sticky. Right? Is the head missing? Where is it? It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. Where is the head? There it is. Everything like this. First thing we're going to take this, put some hot glue to make it on. Now let's put it on his head. Now we're going to put on the eyes with hot glue. One eye goes right here. Now we're going to do the other eye. Now we're done with the two eyes. We are going to put this eye on. Okay, now let's do this. We're going to make a big red smiley face. This is so big. Let's make it bigger, bigger. Just take the face and put it right here with some hot glue. Now we're going to put the face on. Now we're done with the yum yum cheese. Now go eat some grass. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yeah.